Okay, so in this assignment, we're going to practice writing arrays, and then we're going to use console log and see them pop up here in the console. So make sure to open your console. The part that we're going to do is we're going to start with JavaScript task 1, which means we're going to go to our JavaScript and we're going to look at task 1. I'm just going to move this HTML. I don't think we need it. So task 1 says, update the variable song list so that it is an array with at least 3 song titles. So right now, the variable song list is right here, but it doesn't have a value. And by giving it 2 square brackets, we make it an array, even though the array is empty. But it says we have to have an array with at least 3 song titles inside it. So let's put in here 3 song titles. They're separated by commas and they're surrounded by quotes. So the first one is La Bamba, the second one is Happy Birthday. And then the last song is going to be Stand By Me. Stand By Me. And then we're going to console log song list. And what we should see is the console gives us the array back, because we said song list is equal to this. So when we console logged song list, it gave us exactly this right here. Now same thing. Task 2, update the variable class list so that it is an array with 4 CodeNation students, including yourself. So just like above, first square brackets, and then here we're supposed to have 4 students. So let's just put Joseph, Jackie, Anna, and Karen. And then we console log class list. So it's mad because I need to put that inside the parenthesis. There we go. Okay. Now, 3 and 4, we have to do the same thing, but in number 4, they're not surrounded by quotes, because here we have ages of family members. I'm going to put myself, 42, my sister, 45, and my younger sister, 40. So that is an array of numbers. Notice that they don't have quotes. When we console log family ages, you'll see that all of the ages appear here. They're numbers. They don't have quotes on them. Teacher list, we'll do this real fast. CodeNation teachers. We have Miss B, we have Miss A, and we have sometimes Kermit. Now when we console log teacher list, we have all these things. We have songs, we have students, we have teachers, and we have ages. So now, the next step is code it along. We're going to do task 4 through 8. So on 4, it says, oh, I already did that one. We're doing 5. So here's where a lot of students got lost. It says update the variable favesong, which is right here, to retrieve the array element of your favorite song in the song list array. So favesong, it has to do this. It has to go up to song list, which is all the way up here. You see song list? And it has to select the first song, or it has to select the song that you like the most. So right here, if I like La Bamba, that's my favorite song, the one I'm going to select from song list is the song at position 0. Because this is 0, this is 1, and then Stand By Me is position 2. So now when I console log favesong, it's going to show just La Bamba. If I change that to position 1, it's going to say Happy Birthday. And if I change it to position 2, it's going to show the last song, which is Stand By Me. So I'm going to leave it as 0. So when you console log, you don't console log the variable like you did up here. you console log, you do console log the variable, but a lot of people made the mistake and put this reference to the other array here. Okay, so best student is going to go in class list, and you're going to put yourself. Maybe you're 0 because you're Joseph. Maybe you're 1 because you're Jackie. You have to select the index of yourself. Under tallest teacher, I believe that Kermit is by far the tallest teacher. So I'm going to say teacher list in position 2, because that's where Kermit is. And then I'm going to console log tallest teacher, and it should say Kermit. Beautiful. Last one, who is the oldest member of my family? We'll get the family ages array, and it is my sister. And she is in position 1. My sister is 45. Oops. Yeah. Yep, my sister's 45. So that's how to complete 6.3. You're learning how to create arrays, and you're learning how to reference arrays with the index position in square brackets. So the last thing I'm going to do before I turn it in is press Command I to format my code so everything is nice and neat.